inside that I can't ignore. Oh, I feel it tonight. That look in your eyes got me begging for more. Oh, I feel it tonight. There's something inside that I can't ignore. Oh, I feel it tonight. That look in your eyes got me begging for more.
So we just got to the hiking spot that we're at. This one, Los Angeles National Forest, I think it's called. And right now we're probably gonna go up Mount Wilson. Fellow YouTube vlogger right here, Fausto Herrera. I'll be honest guys, it looks really nice up here. Definitely more of a forest scenery type of feel over here. Looks really nice. Highly recommend this place. A hike I'd recommend to anyone. It's not hard at all. The entire way it's been, I wouldn't say it's flat because there is a bit of an incline, but it's even for, you could bring, the kids, bring your pets. It's a really easy hike. It's not hard at all. It is just be prepared just at least a good 2 to 4 hours hiking, depending on how far up you want to go. But like I said, it's a pretty easy hike so far. I mean, like I said, we're only like by now 30 minutes into it, and it's been easy. No incline at all, pretty much. Right now we're still walking up. I got my other YouTube vlogger back there trying to mess around with some settings on his camera, but like I said guys, this is a beautiful hike. Elevation 2,477 feet, so I'm getting up there. Fellow YouTuber doing some commentary. And now the pavement ends. So now it's pretty much leading into dirt, gravel. Still guys, it's from what I'm seeing right here, it's not much of an incline at all. So like I said, it's a great hike for anyone, any experience, hikers, moderate, easy, beginner level hikers, it's gorgeous up here. And then we got him all the way back there, waiting for him. All the way back there. And we're about a mile into the hike. Take a look at that.
Ready?
Gorgeous, guys, gorgeous. So right now we're about almost hitting the 3 mile mark into the hike, and it definitely did get a little harder. The incline does get a little higher, and that's still not too bad, but I think what's making this hike a little tiring would be just a lot of the gravel, a lot of the rocks on the ground. Definitely bring some good shoes because your feet are going to hurt if you don't. Aside from that, besides the rocks that are on the floor that kind of hurt wearing Vans, but aside from that, I mean, it's a pretty easy hike still. It does have a bit of an incline, but definitely something that's it's not too challenging. I think, like I said, it's just the trail itself. Just wear the right shoes, guys. So far, so good. We're 3 miles in. Keep you guys updated. We're about an hour, like 30 minutes up, and yeah, we're pretty high up here. Like I said, guys, easy hike. It's just wear the right shoes. That's all it is. Yeah, it's really nice up here. Definitely hot. Another thing, bring bug spray because there's lots of bugs up here. Yeah, we still got a way to go. We're almost at the top, right there. But very nice hike, guys. Nice hike. It's gorgeous up here. So I'd say we made it pretty far up. We got a really nice view over here. Really nice. Well, we're gonna go back down already. We already spent a good 2 hours hiking all the way up here, and I think we're pretty much gonna call it a day. Gonna start heading back down and get back to the car.